Welcome to day 1. Welcome to the Chopra Center 21-day meditation challenge, Creating Abundance. We are very happy you've decided to embark on this journey into stillness and silence to experience authentic abundance consciousness. Over the next 3 weeks, we'll focus on different aspects of abundance. In our first week, Preparing for Abundance, we'll consider the promise of potential. During this time, we'll learn what true abundance is, the infinite source from which it springs, how consciousness and the mind affect its flow, and how we can more deeply understand that abundance is a divine right, bestowed upon each and every one of us. During our second week, we'll show how abundance relates to the 7 spiritual laws of success, beginning with the Law of Pure Potentiality. What exactly is possible? And ending with the Law of Dharma, how to increase abundance in our lives by serving humanity with our unique skills and talents. In our third week, we'll contemplate the practical aspects of abundance through living in abundance, our natural state of being. During this time, we'll explore the concept of synchrodestiny, consciously manifesting our destinies by harnessing the power of intention and meaningful coincidence. We'll also discuss the importance of living gratefully in a manner that is carefree and with love and in unity to create an environment of abundance around us. So as we begin, let's ask ourselves, what is true abundance? Abundance is the experience in which all our needs are easily met and our desires spontaneously fulfilled. We know true abundance when we feel joy, health, happiness, a sense of purpose and vitality in every moment of our existence, an overflowing fullness that infuses every facet of our lives. We never need to seek abundance. We simply need to notice and open up to what's already there and allow the bounty of the universe to flow through us. Each of us experiences abundance every day. In the unbounded joy of a child, the bright sunlight that fills the room as you open your eyes to a new morning, the many friends and family who are always there for you. Nature, too, reflects abundance in all its glory. Vibrant fields of wildflowers, majestic mountain peaks, lush and fragrant forests, and the rich array of wildlife that thrives on our planet. All these gifts that nature presents to us at every moment are examples of true abundance. It is impossible the grains of sand in 1 inch of the shore or the twinkling stars that fill our night sky. Even our own bodies, composed of the same molecules that make up the entire universe, contain billions of cells. in nature, in the universe, and even within us, there is no such thing as scarcity or lack. Now that you possess this knowledge, you can embrace the concept of unlimited abundance, knowing that the desires of your heart are always available, provided you're open to receiving them and sharing your gifts with the world. At some point today, take time to witness abundance within and all around you. You will see the myriad riches the universe offers us in every moment and begin to experience true abundance consciousness. As we prepare to meditate together, let's spend a moment focusing on today's centering thought. Today, I behold all the abundance that surrounds me. Today, I behold all the abundance that surrounds me. Now we'll begin our meditation to connect with the source from which all abundance flows. Please find a comfortable position, placing your hands lightly in your lap, palms upward, and closing your eyes. In this moment, go within, to that place of inner quiet where we experience our connection to the higher self. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. With each inhalation and exhalation, allow yourself to become more relaxed, more comfortable, more at peace. Now, gently introduce the mantra, repeating it mentally and allowing it to flow with effortless ease. So, hum. So, hum. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts, sensations in your body, or noises in the environment, simply return your attention to mentally repeating the mantra. So, hum. Please continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell to indicate it's time to release the mantra. So, hum. So, hum. Now silently in the mind. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest, inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As you continue with your day, carry this new understanding of true abundance within you, reminding yourself of today's centering thought. Today, I behold all the abundance that surrounds me. Today, I behold all the abundance that surrounds me. Today, I behold all the abundance that surrounds me. Namaste.